Suzushii clothing review, is legit or scam? Suzushii clothing review, is legit or scam? Looking for trendy fashion at affordable prices, you might have stumbled upon Suzushii clothing online. But is it a legit store or a potential scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming that lesser-known fashion websites are unreliable. The surprising truth is that Suzushii clothing appears to be a legitimate online store, offering women's apparel, accessories and seasonal fashion at competitive prices. They provide product images, sizing guides and standard return policies, which are positive indicators of legitimacy. You won't believe what happens next. Some customers report minor shipping delays or occasional size inconsistencies, but these are common in online clothing retail, especially from international sellers. Most orders arrive safely and match product descriptions. Using secure payment methods like credit cards or PayPal adds an extra layer of protection against potential issues. To shop safely, read reviews, double-check sizing charts, and keep records of your purchase. Avoid giving excessive personal information beyond what's necessary for payment and delivery. In conclusion, Suzushii clothing is generally a legitimate store for affordable fashion. While minor hiccups may occur, following best practices for online shopping ensures a safe and satisfactory experience. For fashion lovers, it's worth exploring their collections while staying vigilant about purchases.